This is the e-bike controller that I smoked on the hill climb up out of Mineral Bottom out in Moab. And there's nothing just obviously like scorched or just totally fried on it. And I was thinking I would try to remove the plugs off of this and solder it onto a spare. But I got to looking, and on the back side, there is a little solder bridge right here, if you see that. And that solder bridge, these other bits of the circuit board don't have that. And it looks different right there. I'm wondering if I got this thing so hot that I might have actually melted the solder and it flowed down and it made a short. So I'm going to try to heat that up, get this solder bridge gone, and see if this thing works again. Ignore the poor lighting and my incredibly messy workbench. But let's see what happens. So I'm just going to try to melt this. And looks like I removed that solder bridge. A lot of solder there. Maybe I should try to get rid of a little bit. Here is the controller that I unsoldered the solder bridge on. That was on the back side here. Got everything plugged back in for testing, and moment of truth. It works. And as you can see, the e-bike is working again. Got back out in the mountains. It's been working. We got it dangling out of the bag right now because we're worried it might get hot again, but it is still running around after riding around the mountain here. Alrighty, thanks for watching and have a nice day.